Link. Yes? Ah, sige, bababa na ako.
So I have decided to pick up my camera. It's been sleeping on my dry box for about a couple of months now. In this vlog, we'll be going to one of our favorite restaurants here in Macao, and it is Corto Japanese Yakiniku or Japanese BBQ. So might as well take it to dinner and shoot some B-rolls on the trip.
Link, nasan yung binaksin sa'yo?
Here.
Oh, bakit walang ano?
Here.
Bakit walang tape? Ah, ito.
I-remove ko na.
Daming photographer dun sa bara.
Sakit pa din, pa-remove ko.
Masakit?
Like pag ganun.
Ano yung itsura mo nung tinusok na yung karayom?
I felt nothing.
Nothing?
It is located in Macao side, and since we are living in Taipa, we will need to pass the bridge. I am still using my Sony A7C together with the Tamron 20-40mm F2.8.
Parang Claridel eh. Ayan.
Ayun, tinignan mo doon.
Those are fake dried starfish. Fake.
Open.
We have arrived at the restaurant, so it's time to eat and enjoy the rest of the video.
Wagyu.
Welcome to the Harry and the Chocolate Factory and the White Chocolate Factory. And here right now we're here in what you call Hortas de Pido Sergo. Ano pangalan nito?
Ambay. naka-phone ka ng cellphone. Tingin ka muna dito and smile. Tingin ka muna dito and smile.
Number 3? Ano pa?
Guys. Ding, busog ka na? Ding, busog?
Of course. Take the power back.
Ano, Ding?
We're gonna take the power back.
Bye-bye.